Marketing with attitudes. Today we're going to talk about your offer. A lot of you business owners don't have a great offer, and that's why you're not getting a lot of sales. Now, offers can be a bit difficult. I know you want sales and you want to stay within the parameters of what you're capable of. But what I'm going to say is to really get people's attention, you have to have an offer that makes people stop in their tracks, like a showstopper, if you will. The thing you need to ask yourself, and I ask myself this all the time, when you're creating an offer, let me change that so the lighting's a little better. When you're creating an offer that you're going to make for clients, ask yourself this: man, if you're going to give me all of that, I'll have no problem paying your price. If you don't say that, then your offer isn't very good at all. The reality is your offer has to be so good that it's kind of a no-brainer. And the only reason why people won't buy from you is because they don't financially qualify. And that is a hard concept for people to get, because as a business owner, you have a product, you have a service, you're kind of staying in your lane. And I get that may have high value, it may have low value. But if you have a low value item and you can't really make an offer that's so good that people, like, this is a no-brainer, then you have to work with other companies or products to increase the package, okay? And you might have to do some profit sharing with other companies when they make sales. But bottom line is, here's a nice, easy way to do it. If your product costs 10 times more than what you want to charge, what all do you think you need to offer people to make them willing to pay 10 times more for your product? And once you figure that out to where you go, okay, this is worth this amount of money. So as a marketing consultant here with Marketing with Attitudes, I will offer, sometimes, depending on the client, I'll offer, we create your Google Ads account, we'll manage your Google Ads account, create your Facebook ads, your TikTok ads, we'll create organic videos, we'll give you, we'll promise, like, we'll create at least one video that will get at least 1 million followers or 1 million views, not followers, but 1 million views on it. We will get you at least 1,000 leads in 30 days for your business. We'll create your entire website funnel. We'll create your upsells, downsells. We'll add $100,000 to your business within 30 days. We just package together all of these different things, and then we put a guarantee on it. So if we fall short, you get 100% of your money back, right? So just something that's so outrageous that it's a no-brainer, okay? So once you figure out what that is, for 10 times the money, instead of charging 10 times the money, you charge your current price. And then that way, when people see it, it goes from, wow, that's great value, to, man, this is a no-brainer. Like, I absolutely unequivocally have to take your product or service, and I just got to find the money. And so if you don't have at least that to start with, then you're not even in the game.